Okay. Oh my god. Fuck. This like will make or break my day.
Good thing the day is not very far from ending. A lot of tape that they use.
Can't get a grip on it.
You get loose. Half of this video is
The unboxing.
Nothing.
That's part of the fun. That's part of the suspense, you know. Okay. Carry.
should go for yours.
Okay.
Getting a good view.
Oh my god. Okay, wait. Let's look first. Okay, obviously, this is my man, but I wouldn't mind getting a pochaco, or cinnamon roll, or my melody. I don't
Okay, so-
fucking care for these.
So you don't like the My Beautiful Twin Stars?
I also don't care about Kurumi.
Okay.
I don't-
And you don't care about Hangyeon?
It has a bit of a charm to him.
Okay.
Kurumi is just kind of like, okay.
Okay.
Twin looks stupid as hell.
I love the Twin Stars. This is my new wave.
Pochaco would be like my second. Like
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's see. There's one more layer.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, there's like little like extra like things.
Oh, a little standee.
Okay.
What does it feel like?
It feels. Oh, I better not be a fucking twin star. Bro. I think I'll be so pissed. It would actually ruin my mood. Like actually.
Okay. Ooh. Not a twin star. Yeah.
It's fucking top heavy. Also, I can't even like put it. Oh, okay. I guess. Okay. What the hell? It's so dumb.
It's nice though. It's big. Also has the stand.
Yeah, that's what it was inside, I guess. Okay, kind of slay, I guess. Your turn. Okay, who's your second?
Obviously cinnamon roll.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind the twin stars. Any of
Yeah.
them. Although I guess since you have this one.
Yeah,
this
we
makes
can
more
trade.
sense.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I don't really care for melody or Kuromi
Yeah.
or Pochaco or Hangyeon. If I get Pom Pom Marine,
Sure.
that'd be nice. So these four.
Okay.
I think you can kind of tell the color of the stand.
The what?
The color of the stand.
I didn't look at my stand. That's why I didn't know.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I might have seen.
Okay, well,
Blood in here.
I don't know. So open it. Oh my god. Ew. Boo. We got such shit pics. Okay, but I'll trade with you. You can have the twin star. I'll keep this guy. It's cute.
I have Lala.
Loki kind of looks like us though.
Kind of.
Yeah, we do look like this.
There was another car.
Oh, it's a car. Kind of a sleigh, I guess. Kind of cute, whatever.
But they all have things in their backpacks.
Oh yeah, it's
Even
cute.
we'll never have seen what the other ones were.
I'm actually so annoyed. Oh my god, this is actually so cute. Look at the fucking taco. The
What
octopus.
show? Pop over has a little dog.
Sorry?
It's dog friend.
I'm so annoyed. Meh. What would you rate the pool?
The what?
What would you rate the pool?
I got 1 out of. I mean, collectively we both got answers that were okay with. Just not the top
Yeah.
top 3 picks. This one. It's a bit sad to get a twin star without the other twin. It's a bit.
Yeah, it's just the go.